potter from Gent, and my family have been making pots here in Iweni for over 8 generations. And the reason being is the clay was here, and there was also other materials available, the limestone to build the kilns, and there was also local glaze materials. And there's been over the years quite a few small family potteries, but only ours remain now. My father taught me and his father taught him, and yeah, so it goes on and on. It's an honour really, and I've been very lucky that somebody has been able to teach me how to throw. And of course I grew up in this environment, so it was something I had always known but never thought it was unusual. It wasn't until later years that you realise what a unique situation it is. And we've got photographs on the wall, and you do feel their presence. I suppose it's a natural thing to feel that they are there, and also when you pick up the pot, it's something physical that they made. So that they've left something behind that they touched and now you are touching.